My grandmother called me last week, frustrated and crying. I have been locked out of my email again. I can't remember which password I used, and now they are asking for my mother's maiden name. And I don't even remember what I told them last time. She had 47 different passwords written in notebook. 47. And she is not alone. Welcome back. And today we are talking about some things that affect every single person watching this video. Whether you are a CEO or the student, a tech expert or a complete beginner, we are talking about the death of passwords and the rise of something called passkeys. Here's a mind blowing fact: the average person has over 100 online accounts, 100 passwords to remember. So, what do? We reuse the same password everywhere. We write them down. We make them a simple like password 123 with an explanation marks at the end, thinking we are being clever. And hackers love us for it. Every single day, 300 billion passwords are used globally, and the most of them can be cracked in a seconds. But here's where get interesting. The biggest tech companies in the world, Google, Apple, Microsoft, they have all agreed on something revolutionary. They are killing the password. Instead, they are giving us a pass keys. Now I know what you are thinking. Another things that I have to learn. But hear me out because this is actually simpler. Imagine unlocking your bank account the same way you unlock your phone. Your face, your fingerprints, that's it. No password to remember, no password to forget, no password for hackers to steal. That's a pass key. It is used advanced cryptography which sounds complicated, but for you it just means touch your fingers, see your face, you are in. More secure than any password you could ever create, and infinitely easier to use. For business owners watching this, think about the money you spend on password resets. Think about the employees who use a weak password because they can't remember complex ones. Think about the one data breach that could destroy your reputation. And it all started because someone's password was their dog's name. Passkeys eliminate all of that. For regular users, think about never having to click forgot password again. And think about the accounts that can't be phished, can't be hacked by data breaches because there are no password to steal in the first place. The transition is happening right now. Google, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, they are all supporting passkey today. You can start using them on your most important accounts immediately. And here is my challenge to you. This week, set up one passkey, just one, on your most important account. Your email, your bank, whatever keeps you up at night worrying about the security. The password has ruled the internet for 60 years, but its time is over. The future is passwordless, and it's already here. Are you ready to say goodbye to passwords forever? Let me know in the comments. I will see you tomorrow with another insights that matters. Thank you for your time.